Hey guys, what's up? Merry Christmas if you guys do celebrate. If not, Happy Holidays. So today I'm going to show you the top best jerk tweaks 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Volume Amplifier. It amplifies your volume by 200%. This tweak is called Zebra. It's basically a package manager alternative to Cydia. This is more modern, it's more updated, has a different look to it. I prefer Cydia, but if you guys want a different change from Cydia to install like your tweets in a package manager other than Cydia, then this is a great alternative, Zebra. This is called BetterCCXI, gives you enhanced connectivity and music modules. So it does work on iOS 13. I'm not sure if it does work on iOS 14 yet. This is called Animate MyBadgesPro. Tweak to animate your app badges like a pro. So you want to take control of your app badges. Animate MyBadgesPro is here. So there's more than 8 advanced innovative animations spice up your bland home screen. Allows you to customize your apps in every aspect. The way you can tune in your settings to fit your preferences. You have Aptitude to change the speed of your animations, blacklisting of apps, adaptive code badges. This is called Signal Reborn and visualize your nearby cell towers. This is called SummerPro, a package that includes more than 70 mods for iOS. So you have color applications, keyboard, battery, main, lock screen, top bar, switcher, settings application, phone application, Twitter application, camera application, messages, Instagram, Cydia, Safari, photos, compatible with iOS 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. This tweak is called Social Composer, quick and efficient way to use your social skills. So it allows you to easily quickly write messages, mails, tweets, share posts, any photo, anywhere on your device. Design your own grab and view position, change the order of the apps in your view, and more. Supports these social media apps right here. Next tweet has a widget called Fuji, and then you have the macOS Sierra's codename. Lock HTML theme brings notorious Mac login screen right to your iDevice. This is called Aleppo. Take control over your chart zones with Aleppo. So, which all devices from iOS 10 to 13.3. So, also the MalibuTV custom chart sounds with a twist. That's another tweak. This tweak is called A Font. Change your font. This tweak is called Dots 2. And add a pulsing color match notification dot to your iPhone lock screen. It's a free upgrade for people who already purchased the original dots, compatible with iOS 13 and 13.5. This is called eKip. Improves the connection between your Mac and iOS. So yes, you can have like your Mac on your like your iOS screen on your Mac and control your iPhone from your from your Mac. This is called Swipe Extender Ets and does not support third-party keyboard. Bring back life into your keyboard with Swipe Extender Ets. This tweak is full remake of legendary Swipe Expander and works on modern iOS versions. So you can perform these 20 actions. This is called Spotify. Also, I did forget to mention that eKip is actually free until tomorrow. So it's Christmas. If you guys are watching this today, download eKip because that tweak is free, like I said, until tomorrow. But Spotify, it adds various enhancements to the Spotify application. This is called App Store Updates tab, and basically replaces the arcade button with Show Updates button in the App Store app. This is called iOS Ets, an iOS theme with a hint of Mac OS. And the last tweak is actually a theme called Sage, and basically choose options like a pro. That's like right here. So it choose pro from different styles, well-designed icons to use with large number of icons. So these features right here, updates, notes. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.